Is the Photon crypto bot your ticket to effortless riches, or a one-way trip to getting wrecked? Today, we're diving deep into the security of the Photon crypto bot to help you decide if it's a tool you can trust. First things first. Understand that all crypto bots carry inherent risks. They're executing trades based on algorithms, and market conditions can change in a heartbeat. Security is paramount. Look for bots that offer two-factor authentication, encryption of your API keys, and regular security audits. Check if Photon uses these. You will want to make sure that your keys are safe. User reviews are gold. Scour forums, Reddit, and Trustpilot to see what real users are saying about their experiences with Photon. Are there consistent reports of bugs, glitches, or, even worse, security breaches? Pay close attention to these testimonials and feedback. Dig into Photon's documentation and terms of service. Look for disclaimers about liability, guarantees, and how they handle your data. If anything seems vague or suspicious, that's a red flag. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Whether you use Photon or any other bot, treat it as a high-risk investment, not a guaranteed money-making machine. Start small and gradually increase your investment as you gain confidence and see consistent results. Finally, protect yourself. Use strong, unique passwords for your exchange accounts and email. Monitor your account activity regularly for any suspicious transactions. Enable all available security features offered by your exchange and Photon. So, is Photon safe? It depends. Do your research, assess the risks, and only proceed if you're comfortable with the potential downsides. Remember, no crypto bot can eliminate risk entirely. Knowledge is your best defense in the wild world of crypto trading.